the overall amount of money that each family or person pays per year will go down under Medicare for All, even if taxes on the middle class increase in the meantime. Bernie Sanders says, "We say to the private health insurance companies, whether you like it or not, the United States will join every other major country on earth and guarantee healthcare to all people as a right. All Americans are entitled to go to the doctor when they're sick and not go bankrupt after staying in the hospital." Today, more than 30 million Americans still don't have health insurance and even more are underinsured. Even for those with insurance, costs are so high that medical bills are the #1 cause of bankruptcy in the United States. Incredibly, we spend significantly more of our national GDP on this inadequate health care system, far more per person than any other major country in the world. And despite doing so, Americans have worse health outcomes and a higher infant mortality rate than countries that spend much less on health care. Our people deserve better. We should be spending money on doctors, nurses, mental health specialists, dentists, and other professionals who provide services to people and improve their lives. We must invest in the development of new drugs and technologies that cure disease and alleviate pain, not wasting hundreds of billions of dollars a year on profiteering, huge executive compensation packages, and outrageous administrative costs. The giant pharmaceutical and health insurance lobbies have spent billions of dollars over the past decades to ensure that their profits come before the health of the American people. We must defeat them, together. That means, joining every other major country on earth and guaranteeing health care to all people as a right, not a privilege, through a Medicare for All, single-payer program. And to lower the prices of prescription drugs now, we need to allow Medicare to negotiate with the big drug companies to lower prescription drug prices with the Medicare Drug Price Negotiation Act. Allow patients, pharmacists, and wholesalers to buy low-cost prescription drugs from Canada and other industrialized countries with the Affordable and Safe Prescription Drug Importation Act. Cut prescription drug prices in half, with the Prescription Drug Price Relief Act, by pegging prices to the median drug price in 5 major countries, Canada, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, and Japan. As president, Bernie Sanders is going to create a Medicare for All, single-payer, national health insurance program to provide everyone in America with comprehensive health care coverage, free at the point of service. No networks, no premiums, no deductibles, no copays, no surprise bills. Medicare coverage will be expanded and improved to include dental, hearing, vision, and home and community-based long-term care, inpatient and outpatient services, mental health and substance abuse treatment, reproductive and maternity care, prescription drugs, and more. Stop the pharmaceutical industry from ripping off the American people by making sure that no one in America pays over $200 a year for the medicine they need by capping what Americans pay for prescription drugs under Medicare for All. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.